Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You need the basics ready. The TV on, the correct input selected, and both devices on the same Wi-Fi. Once done, open your phone's Cast option or Google Home. This finds nearby receivers. Tap the TV name to initiate a connection. You'll see a brief pairing or permission prompt on the TV. Make sure Bluetooth is on if the device requests it, because some TVs use Bluetooth to confirm pairing. Then wait for the casting icon to change to connected. Next, decide how you want content to appear. Full screen mirroring replicates your display, while app casting sends only the app stream and frees the phone. To mirror, open Google Home, select the device and choose Cast Screen. To cast, tap the app's cast icon. If performance lags, lower the phone's screen resolution or close background apps to reduce CPU and network load. For wired HDMI, connect an MHL/USB-C to HDMI adapter. Then select HDMI input. When you're done, stop casting from the notification shade or Google Home so the TV releases the session. Then close the app to prevent background streaming. Make sure audio routes correctly by checking phone sound output and TV speaker settings. Switch to Bluetooth if you use external speakers. If the connection fails, reboot phone, TV, and router, and verify both are on the same subnet. One quick fix is disabling AP isolation in your router, because it prevents devices from seeing each other on the local network.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.